Hey guys, welcome to the Judjanics. Today we will calculate or we will find the largest and largest number in a given range, okay? Uh, or how we can find the first largest, second largest, third largest, or 10th largest number in a given range, okay? So for this purpose come to the data sheet, okay? And here if you can see, for example, we have this data here. This one, this is actually the stock index data. This is the opening index, and this is the high, this is the low and close, okay? So I am interested in finding the fifth largest value in this range, okay? So what I'm gonna do is press equal and then you type large, okay? You double click this large and select this, the range where you want to find the fifth largest value, okay? And after this, if you can see, the argument is complete, so you have to type comma, and after the comma just type fifth. This means find the fifth largest value in this range from b1 to b19, okay? Now close the parenthesis and press enter. So 32,555.2 is the fifth largest value in this range I have selected, okay? Now if you want to find the second largest, for example, in this range, you can just type select this range, and after this comma and press 2, okay, and close the parenthesis. Now press enter. So this is the second largest value in the selected range, okay? So this is the very simple way how you can find the largest, the first largest, second largest, third, and so on. Whichever you are interested in, you can find it very easy with this formula. If you want me to show you the formula, you can just see it here, formula tax, okay? Double click and press this one. Now you can see the formula here, okay, is here. So if you want to apply this, just press equal large, then select the range, and after the range type comma, and you have to specify the nth means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on, and then you just press enter, okay? So this is the way how you can find this largest value in a given range. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for our more upcoming videos. Thank you guys.